Ever wondered what's behind the tiny, powerful silicon chips in your devices? Let's dive into the world of quartz roller mills, the unsung heroes of chip manufacturing. These high-precision machines grind and polish raw quartz into the ultra-pure, smooth surfaces needed for silicon wafers. Why quartz? It's chemically inert and incredibly stable, preventing contamination during the high-temperature processes that create chips. Without these mills, achieving the nanometer-scale precision required for modern electronics would be nearly impossible. The roller mill's design ensures consistent pressure and motion, producing wafers with minimal defects. This consistency is crucial because even microscopic flaws can ruin an entire batch of chips. As chips get smaller and more complex, the demand for even finer quartz surfaces grows. Advanced mills now incorporate AI and real-time sensors to optimize grinding in real time, boosting efficiency. They're also becoming more energy efficient, reducing the environmental footprint of chip production. From smartphones to supercomputers, every silicon chip starts with this critical milling step. Next time you use your device, remember the quartz roller mill that helped make it possible. It's a fascinating blend of mechanical engineering and materials science driving our digital age.